Hey everyone, so the wait is finally over. WhatsApp has started rolling out the WhatsApp username features and I can see it on my WhatsApp app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your username, how to select it. You better hurry up with this because if you don't pick your favorite username, someone else is going to pick it. So you can't pick a username that's already selected. So hurry up with this and let me show you how to actually go ahead and pick. I'm on my WhatsApp here. Go to settings. Under your WhatsApp settings, scroll down and look for account. Under the account settings, you would see under your account this new option now called usernames. Tap on it, and then when you tap on this, it's going to show you a couple of very important things. You can reserve your username so that whatever username you pick, it's going to be selected for you, and in the future you can use this username. It tells you that your usernames will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know it, and the second thing, that you can add a key to control who contacts you by your username. So you can pick your username, you can select your key as well. So we're going to go ahead and tap on create username, and when you do that, you have this option now to pick your username. I'm going to go ahead and select my username. And as you guys can see, I typed a username, it's not available. That's what I'm talking about. If you're not too quick with this, your username is going to be picked by somebody else, and that is not good. Since this is not available, I have two options. Either I can pick another one or I can ask it to suggest me a username. Now it says that if I add a 159, it's available. But I don't want that. I want something different. So finally, here's a username that is available. I can go ahead and reserve this username for me. When I tap save, it's going to also ask me to create a passkey. So I need to create a passkey. As I said, hurry up with this. If you don't do this soon enough, someone else is going to definitely pick your username and then you would be regretting it. So my suggestion is that as you're watching this video or right after you watch this video, follow the steps that I mentioned. Pick your username. I made a couple of videos on this topic earlier as well, so if you want to learn in depth about what usernames are and how are these different from phone numbers and what is the future state looking like, so if you want to learn more about that, go ahead and watch those videos right after this. I'll pin those here. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.